Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a special package and we are gonna unbox this. Okay, so let's open it up and see. So before I start, I have to mention that this video is sponsored by Mountain Dog. Is a company that sent me this package. So now let's open the box. Okay guys, so in this box we have two Softbox that Mountain Dog sent to me, and I really want to say thank you for this package, and I will put down in the description the link to this product so you can buy it if you want. But I think that it's a really good deal. I mean, it cost only 53 euros or dollars, I'm not sure. Okay, so here it is. Oh my god, man. Oh, here it says Mountain Dog. This is the company, guys. I really want to say thank you for this product, and now let's see what's here. So we open it up and let's see what we have in here. Okay. Whoa. Okay. I think that this is the white thing that comes on the box, you know, in the front. Yeah, this is it. Okay, here is the umbrella. It's like an umbrella, you know. Okay, nice. We'll put it right here. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, here is the same thing as in here, so I will open it later. Okay, what's in here? Let's see. Oh, here's the light. Okay, we have to be careful. Okay, nothing in the box. Whoa. This is a really big light, guys. Look at that. Very big. 135 watt power. Just think about it. Oh my god. Okay, let's be careful. I don't want to break it. Here, I think it's the same thing. Yeah, here I think it's the same thing too. Oh, they actually send you another one, you know, just in case you break one of those two and you need another one. So very nice, very nice. Okay, here you have the stand. Oh, this is really nice, man. I mean, look at that. Just look at it. And it feels like really good, you know? You can tell that this is a very good quality. Okay, how we open it? I don't want to break it, so... Oh, we have this thing right here. Okay. That's a screw, I think. What? No, I don't think so. Okay. I think I figured it out. You just have to pull down, man. Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense, man. Okay, now we have to put it back on. Nice. Okay, this is the first one. Let it right here. unbox the second one too. Okay, now that I know how to do that, totally unscrew it. Just put it down. And then let me move the camera so you can see what I'm doing here. Okay. So, oh, you just have to put it in, but actually you can put it like that, or you can put it like that. That's really nice. Or you can put it like that. There's 3 ways to put this thing on. It depends on which angle you want the light. So guys, I just told you that you can put this in different ways. My camera died and I actually finished to set up the first softbox. So now I'm gonna set up the second one. Let's go really fast through these steps again. The light, which is a very big one. Okay. Put it up here. Open this thing up again. Okay. Let's do it really fast. So actually guys, if you see that circle, you have to put it in first. Okay, just like that. So it can be straight right here. Then put it right here. Just like they did with the other one. Let's put this thing. So right now guys, I don't know if you can tell, but I'm using the first softbox. Okay, so you just put it like that. Screw it like in. Put this big guy in here. Just like that. Now just put the white thing on it. And it should work perfectly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Just like that. And boom, you have the softbox. So now guys, let me just plug that in and show you how it looks like when it's on. Boom. Really nice. So guys, this is it for today. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and these softbox are awesome. There's pretty good quality in here, but I will tell you more after I'll film another unboxing. So guys, don't forget, take a look at these boys on the site, see what products they have, and if you are a YouTuber or something like that and you want a softbox, I really recommend you these ones. They are really big and they project a really good white color, white light, and this is really good for your channel. So thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We see next time, bye.